Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, I'm cooking up something special, spiced honey braised pork ribs. These ribs are tender, flavorful, and coated in a sweet and savory glaze that's impossible to resist. Perfect for a weekend meal or when you're craving something indulgent. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need: about 2 pounds of pork loin ribs, 1 large knob of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons chili flakes, 2 tablespoons Szechuan pepper, 5 pieces of star anise, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 cup of rice wine, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 cups chicken stock, 4 green onions, neutral oil, salt and pepper to taste. Let's start our prep by slicing our ginger. We'll slice them into thin slices to get as much flavor out as possible. Next, onto our garlic. We'll peel them and slice them into thin slices just like the ginger. To prep our green onion, we're going to cut the ends off and slice them into small pieces. You can save some of the green ends for garnish, which I forgot to do in this video, but now I'm sure you won't. Now onto the meat. I used a pork loin chop with very little bone and mostly meat and some fat. Season these on both sides with salt and pepper. Push your seasoning into the meat as much as possible. We'll start our cooking by getting some oil nice and hot in our pan. Next, we are going to brown our ribs. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. We're looking for a nice golden color here to lock in all that flavor. Now go ahead and brown the other side. It's so important to make sure that it has nice caramelization on it. We want that beautiful Maillard reaction. Once the ribs are done and nicely browned, we're going to go ahead and add our sliced ginger and garlic. Then we're going to add in our chili flakes, Szechuan pepper, and star anise, and let these aromatics toast for a couple of minutes. Now, let's pour a generous 3 tablespoons of honey all over the ribs. This is where the magic happens. The honey will caramelize, giving the ribs that beautiful sticky glaze. Next, pour in your soy sauce. This is going to provide a nice salty element for the dish. Now douse it with some rice vinegar. This is going to balance out the sweetness of the honey. We're going to pour in our rice wine to give it a nice depth of flavor. Now add the green onions. These will cook down to almost nothing, but add a nice pungent kick. Finally, add the 2 cups of chicken stock as our braising liquid. We'll cover our dish and let it braise for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we'll flip the ribs over and let the other side braise for another 30 minutes. After an hour has elapsed, the ribs should be tender and infused with all those amazing flavors. Now we're going to turn the heat up and cook the sauce out for about 5 minutes until it thickens. This will be the sticky glaze that coats the ribs. Fully coat the ribs in that sticky glaze. Make sure every piece is covered for maximum flavor. Now remove from heat and we'll plate our dish. And there you have it, spiced honey braised pork ribs. They're sweet, savory, and fall off the bone tender. This is seriously one of my go-to recipes. It's so good. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.
It's really sweet.
This one's up. It's chewy. It's sweet. It's soft. Nice.
Soft, good, and sweet.